Did you know that two college students once murdered a child just to prove they were smart enough to get away with it? In 1924, Nathan Leopold and Richard Loeb were wealthy University of Chicago students who believed they were superior beings. They spent months planning what they called the perfect crime. These 19-year-olds studied philosophy that taught them they were above normal rules because of their high intelligence. They chose 14-year-old Bobby Franks as their victim simply because his family was rich enough to pay ransom. After lowering the boy into their car, they killed him with a chisel to the head. But their perfect plan fell apart immediately. Leopold dropped his distinctive glasses at the crime scene. Only 3 people in Chicago owned that exact pair. The police traced them within days. During their trial, famous lawyer Clarence Darrow gave a 12-hour speech that saved them from execution. This case shocked America because it showed how wealth and education could create calculated evil. 2 privileged young men had committed murder not for money or passion, but simply because they thought they could.